stood up a little taller than before. He walked to the front of the classroom with a little bit more confidence than before. That young man in my Intro to African American Studies class had sat quiet all semester long. But that day, he spoke with a newfound boldness. He stood up, introduced himself. He said, "Hi, my name is," and then he gave us his African name. Who knew? Until that moment, no one knew it. He told us that he had hidden his African heritage and had taken on an American-sounding name and had abandoned his African roots. But somewhere during that semester, something switched, something shifted, and he discovered the greatness of Africa and of his people's past. Once I found out I had the capability, I had the wherewithal, I had the capacity to do more, that was my inspiration. It's not like I had role models at that point in my life. I did later, but not initially. It was that inner fortitude, if you will, to push beyond the barriers that had been defined for me and knowing that I could do more than that.
Knowing I could do more than that. Very powerful.
And then I retired a year ago, and again I had to reinvent myself. What am I good at? Okay, speaking, writing, I'm a poet, I'm an author. How can I move into that arena full-time? And that's when I started my brand, GriotSpeaks, which focuses on the true and accurate story of African American greatness that everybody, no matter what their ethnicity is, can benefit from it. So, today I come to you as a griot, not from Africa, and not just for one people, but a griot rather for all people, because you know the story of humanity is a shared story. It is our story, the good and the bad, the awful and the pleasant, bound together. As a matter of fact, it's not the totality of black history, and it's not even where black history begins. Slavery is actually black history and white history. It is about the enslaved and the enslaved both. It is about the resilience and the responsibility. It is your story and my story combined together. It is the story of a shared people. And if we dare to face it together, then together we can heal it. Your story can live on and on and on. It does not die. Because remember now, you are the griot too.